job creation agenda and the capitalization of our SMEs will go a long way in broadening our tax bracket. We will make KRA more professional, efficient, responsive, and people-friendly. I urge taxpayers to respond by undertaking their patriotic duty and pay their taxes. In furtherance to this, oversight institutions such as the Auditor General and the Controller of Budget will be adequately funded to execute their mandates. On the matter of gender parity, I am committed to the two-thirds gender rule as enshrined in our Constitution. We will work with Parliament to fast-track various legislative proposals and establish a framework